Hello, my name is Kimberly, and this is a review on a website that is extremely useful in math and education. The name of the website is a math dictionary for kids, so let's go ahead and type that in the address bar. Just go to mathdictionaryforkids.com. And as you can see, it brings you to a colorful website which is very visually appealing, especially for kids. This page has options to go to the math dictionary and to go to a page that has math charts, which can be printed and used by educators as posters or visual aids in the classroom. Let's click on that first, enter the website. Educators can select from any math topic from the side panel, and then they can select a subtopic to see the chart that's offered. For example, if a teacher wants a visual aid for money, they would go ahead and click on money. Let's click coins, for example. And a free printable poster is offered for the classroom. Now let's hit the back button to go back to the original page and check out a math dictionary that students can use. The page is, again, very visually appealing and easy to navigate. A student can click on the first letter of the word they wish to see, and an alphabetical list of words starting with that letter appears. Notice that the words have a variety of difficulty levels and topics, from things like simple addition, which is right here, to words such as altitude, which is more upper level geometry, so the age and grade level ranges. The website is a great tool for pretty much any grade level between kindergarten and 8. For example, if a student wanted to learn about triangles, they would click on T and then click on the term triangle. A general definition of triangle appears, which is nice because it's worded very simply. Simply a polygon with 3 angles and 3 sides. Underneath that are examples of different triangles that a student can explore. Visual manipulatives are also offered with each topic. So for triangles, let's click Make Triangles. And the website allows you to create different types of triangles. You just simply drag. You can clear it. And a student can create different types of triangles. And notice that at any given time, a student can choose to print the content from the page, which is nice if they want to use it as a study tool. So although the site is very colorful and visually appealing, some students who prefer structure and organization may find it somewhat busy. So if you click on different things, you can see some students may find that busy. And although the visual manipulatives are fun and informative, that's the only type of practice the student can do using the site. So for temperature, for example, let's click on that. It gives you the option to explore different thermometers. You can type in Celsius degree. So let's type in 50 degrees Celsius. Click on the arrow, and it'll show you the temperature on the thermometer. But aside from that, that's the only activity that's offered for each given topic. The website cannot be customized aside from the accessibility options offered on the computer itself, which means that unless the computer has a good text-to-speech option, there's no audio feature. And if you notice, math is spelled M-A-T-H-S. That's because it's Australian made, so the spelling of some words may differ slightly from the American English spellings that students are used to, unless they live in Australia, of course. Other than that, the website's a wonderful classroom tool. Educators may choose to use it as an introduction to a given math topic, if you want to use a different definition, or even they can conduct group activities based on the visuals offered on the site. Students can use it as a reference or a study tool if they're unsure about a word as they're going through their textbook or studying for a test. The website, it's just a great way to integrate technology into the classroom, and it makes a seemingly difficult subject such as math easy, fun, and memorable.